What did I forget to put on the previous video? I supposed to check the valve seals, right? I didn't wash it, I didn't touch it, it's on the same position as it was before, alright? I think that I have mentioned in the first videos, when I was building this engine, that I don't like one thing. I don't like this spot here. You see that there is, it became smooth, it's not sharp, let us say, like this one, like this edge here. This one I don't like, if you ask me. I'm talking about here, that they broke the corner. They make it smooth in all of the cylinders. When you break the corner here and here, you reduce the available material that has to crash the head gasket, so it comes more thin from here to here. Here inside the combustion chamber, at this point here, I would like to see it to be sharp, like that. Like this, the corner. And not like that. You're gonna tell me, since it didn't burn any head gasket, it should be okay, right? Okay. So it doesn't matter what I like and what I don't like. Let me turn it, remove the nylon, turn it to see the seals. Alright, let's have a look on it. Let's try to pull, which one? This one looks much more out. And this one. Let's try to pull this out. Which one I said? This one. Why it was not in place? I don't get it. Why it's not? This is supposed to be full inside, and not like that. Let's try to insert again inside. Okay, it went full in. Did they put it dry and they didn't insert it full inside? What the hell is happening? Yeah. Okay. The thing is that I have to lap the valves and I have to measure the guides. And that's not very smart what I'm doing, because I have to remove the seals. Yay. From the exhaust side, it doesn't have any problem, because the cap is pushing down, the spring is pushing down the cap. Some of them they have a bit more wear, some other less. Okay, let's go to wash it. Let's go to wash it. First wash of the cylinder head. They're looking good. It's not bad. If it was not making also this the light that's playing, it's gonna be even better, right? It's not changing. Okay. If I turn off the light, alright. Okay. That's the first wash. Like I said, once again, I'm trying to just show you. Again, first wash, not the final. Not the final. Okay. There is a little bit here. All this will gonna disappear on the final wash. Okay. Nice. Don't forget it. At the exhaust here, there was an extra washer. Fortunately, I didn't lost any washer. 245, yeah, okay. I have to measure also the washers to see the thickness. It's supposed to be the same, just in case you don't have any headache. So the seals, dang it, they're calling me. Alright, where was I now? Dang it. Where was I? I was on the seals. I was showing you the... yeah, okay. The washers, 10 washers. I didn't lose anyone. I have to measure it to see the thickness, just in case this will gonna happen the same time with the valve springs over there. What I was willing to say, I haven't removed the seals yet. Because I want to ask the owner. That's why. That's the first thing. First I'm gonna ask him, and then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna remove it. I think that you can see clearly there what I was talking earlier. This, it's not in position. I don't remember which one I entered inside. I put this inside back again, I think. Also this is the same thing. Yeah, yep. So I show you this side, front one. I'm gonna show you now in the oil gallery. Way there inside. It will gonna be washed again. What's that? 1 second. Go sideways. There's one piece over there. It might be. That's why the second wash. This is the one that's come here. The solenoids, and then the other one it's here. Focus, stupid piece of thing. It won't. Wait. This is what you see on this oil gallery. It's the cut that has for the hydraulic lifters here. That's what you see. And it's coming till back here. And then there is the other one here back. You see from over there. And it's the same one here. Sometimes I'm using the laser, some other times I'm using the camera to see inside that everything's nice and clean. Then I'm passing and I'm cleaning everything again, and then I'm washing it again, and then I'm blowing with it again. Takes time. That's this side. Let me turn it. That's the exhaust side. Nice. Okay. And did I show you from this side? I don't remember. Wait. Yeah. If you have a scissor with this light, I don't know. Turn off this one. And turn on this one. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. No, it's not hurt. It's not hurt the seat. Sorry. Alright. That's a classic procedure. Doesn't matter if it's 4 cylinders or 5 cylinders or whatever the cylinder head, or V8, it's the same. Okay. Now it's measurements, guides, lapping the valves, check the valve height, valve springs, make sure that everything is okay. I have to ask also the owner. 1 second, this is the pins that align the cylinder head. Okay, here is the... Alright, yeah. I cannot show you with the mobile. Alright. Now we're gonna have the chance also to remove the casting. What I mean by that, some things like this one, I can remove it. I can come with a Dremel and remove all these things, all these chips. like this one for example. This can come out. If it's been mounted the valve springs, I'm not doing that. Even the valve seals, I have to remove the valve seals to be able to do that. So when I'm gonna clean, to be nice and clean, to don't be trapped somewhere. Let's see here, don't be trapped somewhere, let us say the chips. Sealant, I have to remove some sealant that has here and here. You can see here it's remaining a little bit. That's the reason why I'm saying the first wash just need to be washed again. Anything else? Nothing more, nothing less, right? Yeah. That's it for the cylinder head. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. If I start working on the cylinder head today, I wanna talk to the customer first, because I would like to change the seals. Even if the seals are okay, if you ask me on how it looks like, I'm gonna feel much better if I change it. Now this is me. Now maybe the customer, he's gonna tell me don't touch the seals. If I don't touch the seals, it's a different story. Yeah. I can measure it. Can I measure it? I'm gonna put it inside, I'm gonna expand it inside, and then yeah. I'm talking about the tool to measure the guide. Anything else? No. You know what? No, sorry. I'm gonna go now to clean the valves. I'm gonna show you also the valves, and then I'm gonna finish the video. First cleaning of the valves to remove the carbon. Okay, it's not being lapped. This one, this it's from here, and then they have another one here that I marked it earlier. One comes here, and the other one comes here. Now, what I was doing, first of all, I measured the guides. There is 1,000 millimeter plus minus. They are excellent. The guides are beautiful. No need nothing to do. Then, same thing for the valves. Less than 1,000 millimeter. Okay. What I was doing here, I was putting. There was a problem at one spot. That's why I have the small file here. Why I'm putting it through the? Yeah, I can zoom, right? Now where to show you? There was only one spot. No, I have to see through this one. No, I have to zoom in. I'll get it now. There is one spot that, yeah, there, at this point here. There was only one point. I fixed this one, I fired it a little bit, and now I was have it here and I was trying to turn the valve and it was sticking, it was biting. So not anymore, now it's okay. I found where was the problem, here, and I filed it and finished the story. So what else? Anything else? Nothing more, nothing less. That's it for now. That's, one second, that's the exhaust. Okay, no carbon. It's okay. That's the intake. I want to talk to the customer regarding the valve seals, like I said, and the lapping is not gonna happen today, and most probably not even tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Saturday. Most probably tomorrow I'm gonna take care about the pistons. I'm gonna remove the piston rings. I'm not gonna separate the piston from the connecting rod because the connecting rod has a number, and I want to run again the piston on the same cylinder as was running till now. Okay, it's important thing. If I was changing the pistons and I was putting in new pistons, that's a different story. But now, how to say now that, if you, let us say, open the crankshaft and then you remove the main bearings, and all of them that are used on, you have to put it again in the same position, to run the same position. Same thing also with the pistons. This will gonna help me also to see if there is any run out. The cylinders looks excellent, I didn't see any problem. There is nothing to be done actually on the cylinders, and nothing's critical. There is no scoring, there is no run out. There was a little bit of run out that if you torque down the cylinder head and the crankshaft bearing caps, it should be zero, as it was. I don't have a torque plate for the DAZA. Okay, let's Let me be clear. If I want to measure it, I have to put the used head gasket. I have to bolt down the cylinder head, make it upside down, and then measure the cylinders from down. If you don't have a torque plate, that's what can you do. Then tomorrow most probably the pistons, and standing by for the cylinder head. I don't have a time right now to lap the valves, and again they're not finalized, the valves, completely from the checkup. Yeah, that's it. Since I'm here, there is another one measurement that I'm doing. This is if you have a pre-ignitions, if you have detonations, if you see that the upper connection of bearings, they are suffering, or the wrist pin. What I'm doing, I'm getting this tool, I'm checking the bore here, see that's coming nice, alright. From this side I'm just getting a measurement, nothing more, nothing less. I'm just getting a measurement from the bore for the cylinder head bolts. Alright, you're gonna tell me, okay, why you're doing that? I'm gonna explain. This one, you measure it 10.6 millimeter. 10.6. Yeah. 10.604. Okay, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be so much precise to see the 1000 millimeter. 10.6 millimeters. Let me turn the cylinder head upside up. Okay, upside up. Now, this is what I'm doing. When you have a studs and you have a pre-ignitions, it's even worse. With the original bolts, with the original head bolts, it's not so much because they're stretching much more than the studs, the aftermarket studs I'm talking about. What I'm doing, I'm going to find the smallest. I'm passing this one, I have a reason. Okay, turn on the light. See, that's passing. It's passing. I have changed this one. I'm gonna show you why. Okay, and then we are coming here. Here, see, it's tight. And if you come and measure it, it's 10.2. It's a 4/10 of a millimeter smaller, the hole. When you have a pre-ignitions, let us say if there was a pre-ignitions on these two cylinders, they're gonna suffer, all of them. I have a couple of them that's been a little bit closed. It's not something crazy. Okay, important thing to be nice and flat, this surface here. I'm talking about this surface. I have mentioned that before. Here it does no need to have a step here, and all of them supposed to be equal, by the way. Okay, so if it's been closed, the hole with a let's call it now this one, dang it, the one that we are making the guides, the valve guides, reamer. Yes, with a reamer you are fixing it exactly to be the same with a reamer, and then from a milling you are cleaning this surface here up exactly the same as this diameter, and you're doing how much you're gonna move, let us say, from here to make it nice flat, the surface. For example, if it has any imperfections here, you're gonna remove, let us say, 0.05 millimeter, 500 millimeter. This is how much you have to remove from here, from everywhere. This just don't be compromised because squeezing it. That's it. Let me see. No, it's supposed to pass without any problem, the stuff from here. I didn't face any problem with the head bolt. That's a head bolt. I get it. Yeah. Yeah, since it's passing the head bolt, it's gonna pass easily the stud without any problem. Just let me bring it, just in case. Yeah, it's fine. Yep. You can even compare how much is playing, let us say here, and if you put it here, yeah, small difference. In any case, this is some checks that I'm doing, so don't have any headache. Anything else? Nothing else. The seals. Okay. And if I remove the seals, it's important to remove the seals from here, because if I start removing, let us say, material, if I clean the casting here, let us say, or here, for example, there is here one piece that's near to the spring. There is another one here, let us say, one small. If I start removing, let us say, this, you're gonna create some dust. The dust, it can enter inside of the seal and can trap there. And after that you have a problem. That's why I would like to strip it off completely, the cylinder head, and do that. And like I said, first I'm washing it to don't have an oil, it's been degreased, it's been washed, to be nice and dry, to don't be able to stack any chip, let us say, or something on, and to get some measurements, obviously. Anything else? Something more, something less? There is some corrosion. There is a little bit corrosion, because this is supposed to be like, because from CNC it has to be like that. Has to do with ethanol. The inject looks better. This is nothing, this is not a... Yeah. That's it for now. Thank you.